Hi friends, I'm so glad that you're here with me to learn today. And to get ready for our review in our success criteria, I want us to play a little bit of Miss Benton Says. That's me, I'm Miss Benton. Okay, so let's start. Miss Benton says, wiggle your fingers. Miss Benton says, jump up and down. Oh wait, not too high. Miss Benton says, spin around 3 times. Sit down. Oh, I gotcha. Miss Benton didn't say. Okay, let's start with our review. To review, we're going to go over some of our important vocabulary words that we need to know when we are working on our success criteria. Okay, the first one that we're going to go over is an equation. Now, an equation has numbers that we are using to solve the problem and symbols. So a lot of the symbols that we are using is the plus sign. And when we see the plus sign, what do we do? You're right, we add. It's for adding. We also have the equal sign. What does equal mean? You're right, equal means the same. And so both sides of it on the equal side are the same. Great job. And now another super important symbol that we are working on is Linus the Minus. He's so mean and he's naughty and he's a naughty young lad, always taking away. Oh, he is so bad. When he comes around, you will end up with less. He makes a big difference, but he will never confess. So when you see Linus the Minus, that minus sign, you know that you are taking away, that you are subtracting. Okay, now let's go over our success criteria. Today, our success criteria says, I can solve addition, so we're going to use that plus sign, we're going to add, and subtraction word problem. So subtraction is where Linus the Minus, we're taking away. All right, let's say it all together. I can solve addition and subtraction word problems. All right, so to practice, you're going to need a paper and pencil or dry erase marker and a whiteboard and some counters. Are you ready? Let's go. So we're going to practice our success criteria right now. I can solve addition and subtraction word problems. So I'm going to give you a variety of different word problems. We have to determine if it's addition or subtraction, and then how are we going to solve it. We can use pictures, drawings, thinking aloud, and we'll use over all of those strategies to solve. For this first problem, I would like to use some counters. So the first problem is Corey had brought 3 pink flowers to the garden, and Rebecca brought 5 yellow flowers to the garden. How many flowers do they have all together now to plant in the garden? Well, Corey brought some and Rebecca brought some. That means we're going to add and join those groups of flowers together. So I think we're going to add. All right, so let's count them. We have the 3 that Corey brought, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to join it with the Rebecca brought. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all together I have 8 flowers. Let's write that in an equation. Okay, so I had 3 pink flowers that Corey brought, and then I said I was going to add them together because we're joining 2. The 5 that Rebecca brought, and my total was 8. Great job. Okay, so for this next problem, I want to use counters too. There were 9 birds on the branch. 4 birds flew away. How many birds are still on the branch? So I have 9 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To start with, I have 9. And then 4 of them flew away. So it sounds like we're taking from that total group. So I'm going to take 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 flew away. And now left we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's write that equation. I had 9 birds on the branch, and then 4 flew away, so I decided I was taking away. I'm going to use the minus sign, then equals 5. Now that's my new total. 9 minus 4 equals 5. Let's keep working. So Rory had 3 tacos, and then his mom gave him 2 more tacos. How many tacos does he have all together now? So it sounds like we're we're adding 2. We had some, and then he's getting more. So I have 3 tacos, and we're adding 2 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our total is 5. Let's write the equation. So Rory had 3 tacos, and then we added to that. His mom gave him 2 more. That equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Now for this next problem, I would like to draw a picture. Max had 7 pencils in his box, and he gave 2 of them to Lyle. How many pencils does Max have now? Well, okay, so I'm going to start with 7. He had 7 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he gave 2 away. So we're taking from that group. So I'm going to subtract. I'm going to cross out 1, 2. Now I'm going to circle what I have left in my force field. Okay. Wow, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to write my equation. I started with 7. I took away 2, so minus 2. And now my total is 5. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Great job. All right, so let's work on some problems on our own. I see a group of 6 socks and a group of 1 green sock. How many socks are all together? You're right, 6 plus 1 equals 7. Now here's a picture of 5 bikes, but 2 are crossed out. How many are left? You're right, 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, Rachel had 10 cupcakes. She ate 4 of them. How many does she have left? Let's solve. I think I'm going to take away 10 minus 4 equals 6. That's right. Great job. All right, the next problem. Lisa saw 5 pigs. Roxy saw 4 pigs. How many pigs did they see all together? I think I'm joining here. Let's add. 5 plus 4 equals 9. You're right. Wow, I cannot believe we just mastered our success criteria. You are awesome. Let's do you're great here. It's silly, but let's try. Get your cheese grater and your favorite kind of cheese. Mine's cheddar. And let's say you're great, great, great. I love learning with you, friends. Bye.